astonished, baby, 알아서 바라가 소리 나마, baby, I don't wanna know. 우리의 미래 모래처럼 몰라.
Hello digital how-tos, welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about this viral video that everyone's doing on TikTok and Instagram, and they take a video of themselves and or images of themselves, selfies, and then it turns into a digital AI art of them. And on TikTok, a lot of people ask in these places like, where'd you do this from, and what app are you using, and no one really seems to be telling them. So today I wanted to show you guys what this app is called. So if you go into your app store, this is what it's called, Lensa AI. And you download this into your phone. Once you have it into your phone, then you can use it for free, or you can subscribe to their subscription. And their subscription is actually pretty expensive. But if you don't, you can still use it. And once you're in there, let me show you on my phone how this works. Okay, so once we're in the app here, you're going to click onto Magic Avatar here. And then this is a package I've done already. So we're going to click on Create Avatar. And these are all the avatars that it can create. You're going to upload your images. It's going to show you the good examples and the bad examples. So they want anything that is more selfie photos. So I'm just going to put 10 photos of myself on here. It's going to import it into this thing. Then you can click female, male. So this is what you pay. $3.99 for 5 variations of 10 styles, or $5.49 for 10 variations of 10 styles. That's 100 unique avatars. The first one's 50, obviously. And then the third one's 200 unique avatars for $8.49. And keep in mind that this is every single time you do this. So then, okay, so for the subscription, it's $46.99 a year. And you can use all the other functions on there, like the filters and stuff. So if you click in here, it's going to show you all the different ways you can access this: monthly, yearly, weekly. They have unlimited access for $19.99 a month, and so forth. But this is just for the regular filters and stuff. If you're looking at doing those avatar AI images of yourself, every single time you do it, that's the price you're paying, depending on which one you pick. And it takes about roughly 18 to 20 minutes to make it. So it is quite long. But once it's done, this is my avatar. And I found that because I put my kids' photos and mine in there, so everything's kind of mushed together. But I find that if you did it separately, just yourself first and then whomever you want after, then it looks much better. But some of them you can tell, like the stylish ones, it's like, okay. Some of them don't really look like me. Some of them do. But overall, it's not bad, and it's pretty quick, and it's fun. And this is like the trending thing that's going viral all over Instagram, TikTok, and so forth. So these are my images right here. So if you guys want to try this, let me know. Oh, and you can click on Save All Avatars in the top right there. And you can save it in 4K resolution or just regular. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye, friends.